I know you got groupies, I see you got fans, but I'm not one of them, but I got my own bands. I know you got groupies, I see you got fans, but I was wondering.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Maya. I'm one half of the XOPTWINS, honey, okay? Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I get this everyday spring makeup look. You guys, it's not hard. It's really, really simple. If you're a beginner, then you definitely want to look at this video. If you're even not a beginner and you just want to just watch me, hey, watch me on this way. But yeah, if you guys are a beginner in makeup, you guys want to learn more about makeup and more about doing your face, and if you guys like more natural beats and things like that, then definitely keep on watching this video. I think you guys will love it because it's just, you know, how I do makeup whenever I'm going out and I just don't really feel like doing eyeshadow and things like that. I just do like something that's really, really quick and really simple and really easy, and it doesn't take that long. It's not time consuming. So if you guys want to see how I get this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now y'all don't have any makeup. I did my eyebrows. If I look this way, y'all know I'm gonna be looking to my mirror over here to my left. Okay. Alright, so you guys, the first thing I use is some Nivea cream. My face is dry, so I do have dry skin. That's why I like to use creams and stuff on my face. Okay. Next, I'm going to use my aloe vera gel. It's 100% aloe vera gel. I got this from Walmart. I love aloe vera. It does something to my skin. It just clears my skin up. I just love putting aloe vera on my face. Like, it clears my skin up this much. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. I don't know. Why would I put my hand like y'all can see that? You just want to rub your hands together. Rub your hands together. I'm going to be using my Illuminizer Primer by Dr. Brandon, and it says pores no more. It's supposed to minimize your pores, and this is a Illuminizer Primer, and this is just going to help my skin. It's an illuminating primer, so this is going to give my skin extra glow up under my foundation. I don't know if y'all watched my first. Yeah, it's going to give my skin an extra glow up under my foundation. I feel like all of me is gone. I'm like gone when it's raining. So, and you guys, a lot of people wants to know, like, why do I use all this product on my face before I start my foundation? And it's because I want my makeup to sit on top of the products that I'm using and not seep into my skin. So that is the reason why I use these products before I put on my foundation, especially primer. So next, you guys, I'm going to be taking my Revlon Colorstay foundation in the color 400 Caramel. And I use the one for normal to dry skin. They do have a regular one, but I get the one for normal to dry skin. I don't do eyeshadow when I do my everyday makeup, so I just like to put some foundation on my eyes. So now I'm looking like a freaking Oompa Loompa. I know, I can see it. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so you guys, now I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. I don't have that much Warm Honey in here, y'all. I don't know where the other one is, so I had to squeeze a little bit that I have out of here. So that's what I'm doing. My beauty blender and blend it out. I love the blending portion, y'all. When I'm editing this, I'm like, oh my god, just stare at myself blending out my makeup. The key to blending is blend until you can't blend. I'm out, okay? Blend until you can't blend anymore. into my face. As you can see, I just took out all that color. And at least my, you know, my foundation, you just don't look sure. Okay, so I'm going to use Dark Cocoa by LA Pro Girl for my concealer. Contour. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just what I do. Okay, so now, as y'all can see, this area up here is where I put way too much contour. So how I fix that problem, you guys, it's okay if you have problems with makeup because you can always go back and fix them. I just take my foundation brush, go in and blend out, and I'm going to blend out wherever I contour over my whole face with this foundation brush. That's how I get that done. So as y'all can see, now you don't see any lines of demarcation. Everything is nicely blended, and that's how I do it. So bam, it's okay if you guys mess up or anything. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to go set my face. I don't bake, I set. Okay, I know some of you may, oh, she don't bake. Y'all don't bake. I stopped baking. My skin too dry for that, so I just started setting my face dry, honestly. Honestly and truly. And you can blow off it or you can tap off it on your hand. Tap off the excess on your hand so you don't get too much on your face. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to take my Milani blush and my Bloody Baked Powder brush, and it's in the number 06. I don't know how to say this. Bellissimo Bronze. But that's the color I'm taking. And I'm just going to use it as my blush. Just come in and blush up my face. Blush up my face. And then I'm going to take my Artist Couture. Again, conceited. I'm just playing. And I'm going to use it to highlight my face. To my liner, I'm going to be using my NYX gel liner, and I'm going to line my eyes. I don't do my inner corners of my eyes. I just do a line. I don't do a wing. I just do a line. Okay, guys. Now I'm just going to spray my face with my Cosmetics Hydrating Mystic Treatment Spray. And this is going to keep my face hydrated throughout the day. And it's going to also use it as a setting spray as well. So that's why I use this a lot. So. And this is before I do my under eye. Before I do my under eye liner, because I don't want the under eye liner to smudge down my face. So that's why I do this first. Guys, while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my mascara. So you guys, I'm just gonna use my clear gloss because that's what I do every day. I already had some on, but if you guys want to do like a lippy color, then you can definitely do that. And you guys can stop at this step. You don't have to add lashes. However, me, I'm going to go in and add in some lashes. Okay. Okay, so you guys, I want to show you guys what it's gonna look like when I add gloss. I may just keep the gloss. When I add like a different kind of glossy color, I may just keep it on because I don't know, I like the gloss, but I'm going to be using NYX Butter Gloss Fortune Cookie. Y'all, I love these butter glosses. My favorite one is Creme Brulee though, but I'm going to use it Fortune. Okay, so you guys, that completes this makeup tutorial. guys, you have reached the end of this video. I just want to thank all of you guys so much. I just want to thank all of you guys so much for watching and supporting and subscribing and commenting and sharing and everything. It really means the world to me and my sister. We really appreciate everything that you guys do, and the fact that you guys still come back and continue to watch our videos and support us and do everything. It really just makes our day and just makes us feel so special. So thank you guys so much. If you guys like this video, please like, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below in the comment section, because I would love to know all of you guys' thoughts. And yeah, share this video everywhere on all your social medias. Share with your mama, your cousin, your grandma, her grandma, your cousin grandma, your friend friend, her friend, her cousin, her mama, and her sister. Okay, yeah, so make sure you guys definitely subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss a video from us whenever we post. If I'm talking too fast, y'all just comment down below, tell me to slow it down just a little bit, okay? Maya, slow it down just a little bit, okay? But so yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.